Hello everyone. This is a quick tutorial on how to delegate your voting power. I'm going to delegate my voting power to the Tellor team because that's the best way to make sure that your address votes on every proposal going forward. You only have to pay gas once, and it's a great way to show your support for the Tellor team. Helps us pass proposals. So I have navigated to Etherscan. This address is the governance contract address. Scroll down to where we have the different information tabs, select contract, click write contract, and here is where you will connect your wallet. Click connect to Web3 and connect to your MetaMask wallet. Verify that the address shown here is the one that holds your TRB voting power. I'm using this address, it matches. So from there, it's really easy. Click delegate, enter the address that you want to delegate your voting power to. I'm going to use the team's multi-sig wallet. There we go. Click write. This is where MetaMask will pop up and prompt you to sign the transaction. If you're using a Ledger wallet, make sure that you're logged in and all your apps are up to date. Now we'll just wait for the transaction to go through. Using default gas settings is usually the way to go, especially with contract functions. Pending transaction. Okay, there it is, all done. Thanks for watching and have a great day.